We previously looked at the auto functions, which were AutoSum, average, count numbers, maximum, and minimum. Excel displayed the results of these functions, and they were stored as part of the workbook. Excel has another feature that allows you to view the results of all of these functions at the same time on the data you select. The results are not displayed on the worksheet. Rather, they are displayed on the status bar below your worksheet, and they are not stored as part of your workbook. I will right-click on the status bar. Notice that the same functions are displayed here. There is one additional function. It counts cells that contain either numeric or text data. Enabled functions have a check mark to the left of them. If a function doesn't have a check mark next to it, you can click on the function name to enable it. I will click in cell H3. I will hold down the Shift and Control keys and then click on the down arrow to select the range. You can see that the count is 5 and the numerical count is 4. The results of the other functions are displayed as well. Now you can drag across any data that you want to include in your results. If you want to see the results of data that is not in a continuous range, just select the first range, then keep your Control key held down as you select additional ranges. You can also see the results of your selected data by right-clicking on the status bar.